Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capsule. That's right, we're at the end of week 6. Really excited about a lot of things. Really excited to check out more for your 30-second clips. And I started taking a look at a couple things, but just give everybody a heads up. There's no second announcement for this week. I just want y'all to work on your work, really take the feedback into play, and really please take a look at the feedback and just try to add more detail. I think this will help you out because I think what's happening is it just seems like we're just covering just the check boxes, but in reality, when we get out into professionalism and out there in the real world, you want to showcase your best foot out there and really show what you have the capability of doing. And I want to see that a little bit more. But other than that, I think we can work on this and really improve everything and really get something that we're really going to like that's going to get you a job down the road by somebody. If not, at least be a good startup to those foundation points and everything. That's pretty much what we're going to work with. And I want to help you out with that. So please take a look at the feedback. Really take a look at the overall work in general and really see what you can do to really kind of highlight some things. If you need me to send you some examples, please let me know. I'd be happy to. And really take a look at others out there and see how it's going to fit and really showcase that work. Right now, I'd really like to see a little bit more when it comes to the quality a little bit. That would be really the big thing for me. And that's going to help you out because that's going to showcase your professionalism. And that's what we want to see. And I'm me that hires artists on a living. I'm telling you, that's what we look for. So that's just something to keep in mind. But other than that, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll walk you through it if you want to meet up. I'm here to help you out. But other than that, just I posted on discussion. Definitely did the same thing over there as well. So if you have any questions about the feedback, let me know. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to move the lecture from Tuesday to Monday. So you should see that change here on your calendars here shortly. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It'll be same time, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central for lecture. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to switch calendar dates just because right now my fiance is about to give birth on Wednesday, and I want to make sure that everything matches up with the time. And I want to right now for the C-section. So I just want to be safe. That's really my big goal. Just trying like that last Tuesday, if we make it that far and everything makes it up to Wednesday. So the earlier I can have the lectures, that'd be better. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'm really excited to see the feedback and the improvements with everything. And that's all I got. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, have a great weekend, and I'll see everybody for Monday for lecture. All right. Take a look at the calendars and announcements. They'll have those changed for you. Other than that, have a good one. Bye-bye.